Welcome to the channel. This video will show you the solution if you are sending code on Discord and then the underscore doesn't show up, or the underscores do not show up on your Discord chat. It's because the underscore notation or the underscore character considered as italic on font formatting. For instance, I will try these words. I write words and then I hit enter. The underscores was gone, and then how to make it still there, the underscore. So for instance, I will try to write it again, words, and then from the beginning, just before after the underscore, you just put the reverse slash. Okay, I will put another one, reverse slash, and then hit the enter. Now the words with no italic, using underscore at the beginning and at the end on the suffix of this solution. Okay, this is this very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.